Hi, my name is Maria Estes, and my presentation is over the democratic leadership style. I personally really like this style. I'm comfortable in this style. I feel like I'm a bit of a people pleaser, but more so if I can find harmony at the end of a disagreement with somebody, whether it's a coworker or a friend or a family member, I'm going to choose it every single time. Things just aren't worth it. So I love this lifestyle, and I'm very happy to be talking about it with you today. So, some of the things that these amazing managers do, are leaders in their area, is that they create this environment that is collaborative, and they encourage input and decision making thoughts, and they basically want to hear what their people have to say. They invest in them. They prioritize communication, active listening, goal setting. Some of the things you might hear them say is something like, one-on-ones are not performance reviews. They are relationship builders. How sweet is that, right? Just the investment that they put into these people. Here's another one. Train people so well that they can walk away, but treat them so well that they won't ever, they don't want to. Which makes me think about when I had my own issue in this theory. I was young. I was forced to do the science fair, and I was given a partner. His name was Robbie, and we were 11. I don't remember what the actual project was, but I do remember, he wanted to present it with, a video camera and some action-packed stuff, and I did not want to do that. And he got upset, and I remember him sitting down on the cafeteria floor, and so I sat next to him, and I just told him, I don't want to do it because I'm embarrassed, and he considered what I said, and he said, "You know what?" He said, "I don't have a camera. Do you have a camera?" I said, "No." And he goes, "I guess we'll just color some posters." I was like, "Okay, thanks." So what this environment fosters is just an understanding for each other. Doesn't matter if you're the boss or if you're, the bottom. You just got hired. It's a great place to work and to grow. So I read this article that the New York Times posted. Lee Green wrote it in September of this year, and it was really cool because it shows this leadership style among these people and in this work environment. And the New York Times is praising these leaders for having that democratic leadership style. So basically, they had a huge financial loss, and they decided to share it with their people. And so what was really cool is that they fostered these people an environment that these people don't want to leave. They want this to work out, and they're loyal and caring. And so they proposed a repair over replace initiative. So if something broke, or if there was a way to fix it or use it in some way, that's what they did. And they reduced waste by 40%, and they got to the next fiscal year. And so the New York Times just wanted to share that and praise them. And I'm blown away by it because, people caring for people, it's just the way it should be. And so I think over the last few months, going over these leadership styles, and as I'm reading and the course material in this class, I've seen all of them. I've seen all kinds of leaders, and I think the ones that stay close to me, or that I can still hear telling me to watch out for something, or it's these kinds of leaders, the ones that truly care. And so actually getting to put a name to this type of leadership, and really harnessing what it is that they are like, and what leads them, and what grows their groups of people, I feel like I'm going to take that with me forever. I want to be that leader always. And so, yeah, I think that this is a great class, and I'm very thankful for you and for teaching it to us. Thank you so much.